Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Olympia Cremina espresso machine on the left, and it had a leaking steam valve, and I've started to pull up the lever here, and you can see we have old and new. The new one's on the left, and the old one that actually just got brought in is on our right. And so let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see we get really nice crema on this one. Might have got the espresso a little too fine. And then let's go ahead and test this thing. Nice strong steam. And the issue is that the steam valve was leaking. You can see how the threads are actually uneven in this machine, and that creates a problem with the steam wand leaking. And so the solution was to replace the entire spindle with a new style spindle, new stainless steel style spindle, and say that 3 times fast. So yeah, so we're all done, and thank you for praying with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.